But wait how can you compare Davido's wedding to that Ambani's wedding? Davido did the Nigerian version of what the Indian man did. Mind you, both of them are billionaires in dollars. Abeg, wetin concern me? Today, let's prepare a homemade pizza. Pour warm water in a bowl. Add your yeast, flour, oil, baking powder, sugar, salt, and mix properly. Knead and cover for 60 minutes. Stretch and press the dough into a thin round shape. Rub the tomato sauce on the surface. Add your cheese and the crust. Bake for 15 minutes. There you go, our homemade pizza is ready. For more recipe, follow, like, share, and comment. Bye.